Imagine standing in front of a chaotic closet, clothes crammed, memories tangled, and every drawer a mystery box. Marie Kondo's voice cuts through the clutter. Does it spark joy? That simple question flips the entire mess on its head. But how do you actually figure out what sparks joy in that avalanche of stuff? And more important, how do you fold a sweater so it stays tidy and joyful? Hang tight, because this isn't just tidying, it might just change your whole life. Here's where the magic begins. Kondo's genius isn't about tossing stuff blindly. It's asking the right question to change everything you thought about clutter. Naomi, a Tokyo salarywoman, was drowning in clothes but stuck in analysis paralysis, keeping just-in-case items. When Kondo asked her, does it spark joy, Naomi held a soft cashmere scarf, tears welling up. Not because of sentimentality, but the pure warmth. That one scarf became the turning point for her entire wardrobe. Think of joy as a spotlight in a dark room, not a garbage bin. Instead of hunting what to throw away, you shine your attention on what lights up your heart. Each item becomes a question, not a chore. This flips decluttering from a dreaded task to a discovery journey. Surrounding yourself only with items that spark joy isn't just neatness, it rewires your daily energy. Naomi's home went from chaos to calm, and she found more confidence and peace. That's the surprising insight. Tidying elevates your entire life rhythm, not just your space. You might think folding's a boring chore, but Kondo treats it like origami for your soul. The way you fold tells a story about respect and care for your things and yourself. At a seminar in Osaka, Marie showed how folding shirts into perfect little rectangles and storing them vertically transforms messy drawers. One man said it was like watching magic. He could see every piece at a glance and felt pride handling his clothes differently. Folding here isn't just making things smaller, it is like having a conversation with your belongings. Like carefully tucking a letter into an envelope, your hands ask, do you want this space? And the clothes reply, I'm ready to be cared for. This dance sparks a deeper bond with everyday objects. The surprise is how this tactile ritual rewires your brain. You stop rushing and start appreciating. That calm triggers a domino effect. Your mornings become smoother, your choices sharper. Folding becomes a quiet rebellion against life's chaos. Kondo doesn't throw you into a random blitz. She breaks down your home and belongings into digestible, joyful bites, each with unique tips that stick like a charm. Kondo insists on starting with clothes, not books or papers, because clothes physically touch your body daily, making joy easier to detect. It's like peeling an onion layer by layer. She recounts a woman in Kyoto who saved a mountain of paperwork after finally clearing clothes. Her decision engine warmed up. Ever wrestled with socks or bras? Kondo's folding technique turns these confusing items into compact packets. For example, socks aren't stacked but folded into a tiny bundle that fits standing up. This method isn't fussy, it's practical beauty, making retrieval effortless and fun. Kondo's illustrated guides to drawers and cupboards are more than organization, they're choreography. She shows how each drawer's contents get their own home, like a mini apartment. This makes retrieval seamless and keeps joy alive because you never have to dig through a junk pile again. Back to that overwhelmed closet Naomi faced, her scarf was just the start. The joy question, the folding rituals, the methodical room-by-room approach pulled order out of chaos and gave her space to breathe. You don't have to purge your whole house overnight. Try this, pick one drawer, ask that simple question, and fold carefully as if the item were a gift. Watch how your whole world shifts. Subscribe for more book summaries like this one.